Traveling. Why do you like traveling? I like traveling because I enjoy visiting new places. Writing. What do you like to write? I like writing short stories and daily notes. Photography. Do you like photography? Yes, I like photography. Craft making. What crafts do you make? I make simple handcrafts. Public speaking. What does public speaking improve? Public speaking improves my confidence. Gardening. Do you like gardening? Yes, I like gardening. I grow plants and flowers in my garden. Singing. When do you sing? I sing when I feel happy or relaxed. Cooking. Do you like cooking? Yes, I like cooking simple and healthy food. Cycling. When do you go cycling? I go cycling early in the morning. Running. Why do you run daily? I run daily to stay fit and healthy. Swimming. Do you like swimming? Yes, I like swimming because it refreshes my body. Watching movies. When do you watch movies? I watch movies on weekends. Painting. What do you paint? I paint simple pictures. Baking. What do you bake at home? I bake cake and cookies at home. Puzzle solving. What helps you think better? Solving puzzles help me think better. Learning English. Why are you learning English? I am learning English to speak confidently. Volunteering. Why do you do volunteering? I do volunteering to help people in need. Calligraphy. Why do you like calligraphy? I like calligraphy because it makes my writing beautiful. Gaming. Why do you play games? I play games to relax my mind. Watching TV. What do you watch on TV? I watch news and entertainment shows. Hiking. What do you do in the mountains? I go hiking. Journaling. What do you write every day? I write about my day in my journal. Listening to audiobooks. What do you listen to while walking? I listen to audiobooks, blogging. What do you do on the internet? I write blogs, pottery. What do you do with clay? I make pots, reading news. What do you read every day? I read the news, shopping. What do you do at the market? I go shopping, talking to friends. What do you do in the evening? I talk to my friends, watching documentaries. What do you watch to learn new things? I watch documentaries, making jewelry. What do you make with beads? I make jewelry, sketching. What do you sketch? I sketch faces and objects, listening to podcasts. Which podcast do you listen to? I listen to English podcast, jogging. How long do you jog? I jog for 30 minutes. Paper craft. What do you make in paper craft? I make flowers and card. Knitting. What do you knit? I knit sweaters. Planting trees. Who plants trees with you? My friends plant trees with me. Watching YouTube. Why do you watch YouTube? I watch YouTube to learn new things. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you for watching.